Good morning, Carcroft. This is Mr. Overly with your morning announcements. Today is Friday, June 12th. It's our last day for remote learning. Please stand for our pledges and join Susie and Crofty for pledges and also our mindful breaths.
Hi guys, I'm here with my friend Crofty. We will be doing the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for the Carcroft Pledge. Today I pledge to be the best possible me. I will be responsible, respectful, peaceful, and safe. No matter what I do, I can become better. I pledge to believe in me. Now we're going to do our mindful breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Two more. Breathe in, breathe out. Last one. Breathe in, breathe out. Frosty misses all of his Crocs. Have a great last week of school. Bye, everybody.
Awesome job, Crofty and Susie. Birthdays for July and August. So we want to go through those since you'll be celebrating your birthday over the summer. So happy birthday to Tamara, Ashay, Jalea, Nora, Elijah, Nicholas, Soleil, Alice, Julia, Jacqueline, Makila, Josephine, Madison, Jalir, Shania Moore, Troy, Henry, Chiro, Nayar, Gavin, London, Tori, Eric, Nicholas, Joaquin, Lucas, Deanna, Zenik, Luke, Cherokee, Jacqueline, Monte, Audrey, Maya, Kamaya, Aiden, Caleb, Quinn, Kishar, Nadia, Morgan, Maya, John, Mrs. Allen, Mrs. Russo, Mr. Christie, and Mrs. Tadley. So those are your July birthdays. And our August birthdays: Isa, Josephine, Joachim, Carter, Tristan, Ryan, Matthew, Sydney, Alexa, Caden, Carter, Maximus, DeAndre, Cabrin, Sienna, Marco, Victoria, Owen, Anthony, Sawyer, Shahir, Abigail, Isabel, Tristan, Sophia, Reagan, Ronald, Reese, Grant, Nair, Reagan, Kennedy, Jason, Zoltan, Niella, Chase, Ava, Amina, Bryn, Reese, Ethan, Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Barnes, Miss Moore, and Mrs. McGee. Hope everyone has a happy birthday this summer. Events for today and also for next week. We have lunch today at Carcroft from 11 to 11:20. Mr. Blair will be here as well selling yearbooks. He'll be here next week as well selling yearbooks during our pickup and drop off time. Today we have Lego Club with Miss Zimmerman at 12 o'clock. Yesterday we released our promotion video. Hopefully you got to watch that. It was an awesome video, and again, congratulations to our 5th grade. And today, attached will be the reading challenge completion with Mr. McGuire shaving his head into a mohawk. So congratulations for reaching those challenges. Next week, procedures. Again, you still have time to turn in your work next week. Some folks will have a little bit more to hand in. That's totally fine, but there won't be any new work next week. So we're asking on Tuesday and Wednesday for drop-off times that you stay in your car, stay safe, have all your stuff in the trunk, bring back any computers, library books, Legos, band instruments, any music, Croc Patrol badges, or anything else. We'll come out to you. If you can also have in the window, have a sign that has the student's name, the homeroom, and the grade. We'll bring their stuff out, take your stuff out of the trunk. And again, those times are kindergarten 9 to 10, first grade 10 to 11, second grade 11 to 12, third grade 12 to 1, fourth grade 1 to 2, fifth grade 2 to 3, anyone from 3 to 5 on Tuesday, and then anyone on Wednesday from 8 to 12. Again, our last day of remote learning. Just a reminder, as you go through the summer, Carcroft is calm. Again, when you're in a calm environment, you can think clearly and you stay focused. So just remember too, responsible, respectful, peaceful, and safe. Those don't just apply at school, but those are great things to think about and practice at home too. Have a wonderful summer. We hope everyone enjoys their summer. We will miss you. I know this has been a little bit of a crazy time, but we are hopeful that we will be back in the fall, and we are super excited to see you guys. So again, have a safe, wonderful summer. Thank you, and have a great Friday.